Yeah, as you can see in the previous clip about the natural disaster, which is flood that have struck our beloved country every year without miss. So, as an employee of MacGyver Enterprise, I have been given responsibility by the Ministry of Water and Environment to develop an IoT project to preserve the environment and control disasters. So, I choose to make a flood monitoring and alerting system that has been named Awas Banjir. The project will help many people in being aware of floods. Let's jump to the next part of the video, which is the project main idea.
So, as you guys can see the ultrasonic sensor, the sensor collect data which is length of water from sensor, and the data will be transmitted to Blink Cloud via a network or connecting directly to the internet, which is Wi-Fi. Then, the Blink mobile app will display the data from cloud, which is water level, that can help user to monitor it.
Next, I will show you the components that have been used in this project, also with circuit diagram and the project development process.
The first part we use is not MCU, which is the microcontroller. Next component is the sensor, which is ultrasonic sensor. Next is buzzer. After that, we got breadboard to connect all the components. Last but not least, the jumper wire. This is the circuit diagram of the project.
This is the project prototype after we fit the circuit into real-world model. Last but not least, I will show you the project simulation model and how to execute the project with the Blink mobile app.
So this is the simulation of the prototype. I just fill in the container with water to trigger the sensor. As you guys can see in the Blink mobile app, it got speedometer and green LED with display that displaying safe. So it's going to the warning level. Warning level, red LED and notification will pop up.